What's up, everybody? Man, this is going to be a different one, and I think it's going to be a lot of fun. Just clocked out of work. It is March the 31st, and I'm off until Monday, and me and Logan are headed south to Alabama, and we're going fishing. We are headed to Lake Eufaula. Never been there before. Now, as you may or may not know, when I fished the Hobie BOS on Watts Bar and finished 4th, that qualified me for the Tournament of Champions. And that Tournament of Champions is a pretty big deal. It's a 50-man field, $30,000+ for first place. And just to be honest, you know, I'll probably never have the opportunity to fish for that kind of money again. So I wanted to give myself every opportunity to succeed. And so that's what we're doing. Last year we started doing a spring fishing trip for, 4 days or something. Went to Chickamauga. We were gonna go to Chickamauga again, but when I qualified for that tournament, we talked it over. Logan was willing to go to Eufaula instead, just so I can get a lay of the land. So I'm gonna try and bring you guys along for this whole trip. Show you more behind the scenes content, more of the traveling, more of how we break down the water, so on and so forth. It does look like we're getting a little bit unlucky in that we've got a massive cold front basically smacking the whole southeastern United States, and I think that's going to make the bite a little bit tougher than what it should have been, but we're going to make the most of it. And like I said, I'm mainly just trying to get familiar with the lake and the area, so stick with us. Drop me a comment at the end of these videos. Let me know what you think, if you enjoyed them and everything. And I really enjoy talking to you guys, hearing from you, and I always like to know what we can do better, if you like the videos and so on. So make sure to do that and come along for the ride. Well, we've made it to Eufaula, Alabama, and as you can tell, it is mass chaos right now. We got in late last night, so we didn't get to rig any rods or do anything, and we hadn't seen the water yet. And I don't know if you can see behind me, it's a little dirty. So Logan's up there rigging right now. I'm putting some braid on some reels. Hopefully we'll be fishing next hour or so. We'll see you on the water.
I have it logo.
Oh yeah. Yep. Sweet.
Bass.
It is a bass. On the spinnerbait.
Huh?
I said, and on the spinnerbait.
Some.
Well,
I didn't think set the hook that hard, but like as soon as it hit the water, my line was screaming it right. Screaming. pretty cool though.
Yeah, that was pretty cool. It's a little bit better fish, but he ain't good.
Cool though.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I mean, I think they're cool.
Well, you've seen better days, bud. Swords all over his mouth.
Oh, that was cool.
See that? See that big fish? It's a good one too.
Come on now.
Holy shit. Ain't quite a hog, but he got hog snatched. You get right in front. Come to that. Not
Wake
as
up.
heavy as it looks. Big old head.
That wind's killing me.
That's bad.
Look at that dude hitting the bank. Just blowing up over the bank.
In 1.8 miles, the destination is on your left. Sandy Grant.
Stop on the way.
Well, midday update on day one at Eufaula, and we caught a few fish this morning, but the wind is so bad today. I mean, it looks like the Atlantic Ocean just about, and we're very limited on what we could do. We had to trailer the boat just to get across the lake. I've never seen anything like it, and you know, Watauga Lake back home gets pretty nasty in the wind, but this tops anything I've ever seen. But we're heading back out for a couple hours this evening. Hopefully we can catch a few more. We don't really have much to go off of just yet. Put a little more effort into bending it.
Hey, punch in the mat. Punch in the mat.
Yeah, you got him like, you got his mouth closed?
Oh, I don't look like shit. He's coming off, buddy. We got it. Set the hook good. There we go. Good? No, dude, that was cool.
Oh, he come off right there.
Oh, man.
He's just
Still.
Is that cool or what?
Oh! God, it's so cool.
How was the bite?
You so.
So good. Punching.
Leave it on the boat, I don't even care.
How was the bite?
It was like,
Really?
yeah. When he started going away, I was letting him have it.
Oh, what weight? Take it out of the spot. I missed you. One hit.
Damn it.
Right.